Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open and change battery in your HTC Desire 626. So first of all, we need to open this phone. So remove this little things and lift up the back cover with your finger. Now let's take a screwdriver and remove the back cover. And this is all the screw. So now we need to lift up the frame here with some plastic tool. We have to lift it up. Yes, like this. Okay, and as you see, we have here the motherboard, all of the parts like camera, speakers and more, and of course our battery is here. There is battery battery hole. So we need to lift up the battery. It's been stick with the glue. And there is a battery insert here. That's it. Now you should change the battery, this for the new one. Mine is cropped, and just put it here into this hole and just assembly all the elements here. In my case, the battery was turned off from the socket, so I'm gonna be check if there is some more improvement. No, there is same problem, so I need to change this battery for the new one. I hope you will too change it. Of course, you can change many of parts here like LCD and many more. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.